Yeah, as you can see with the title, today get want how to apply for a job on SAYouth.MOBI. So, Orowanor is the real deal. You'll see logo like this, nice South African colors, Rainbow Nation, you know what it is. The president. Okay, so let's get some brief history before we get deeper into this. Get some brief history. So, SA Youth Mobi, the reason why there's mentioning of the president is a reason of mention training opportunities. This program during COVID, yeah, education assistant, general assistance. What is this? Phase 5. Wow. So the SA Youth Mobi, it's a platform for youth mainly who are looking for jobs. So this is just the news. If you want to have some background knowledge on Orejo Guy and what is the future for it and what is its aims and other discussions relating to your another SA Youth Mobi. So now we are to all. So when you go to all, then you got this one. SA Youth. So me, I'm overqualified. So let's go with my overqualification. Right, so I had previously opened it because loga ini your ID number and your password, and I'm not showing you that part. Yeah, so that's me. And then yeah, this is for business. So this is my CV here. See, already it's asking me to update. Yeah, so this is where the part is. Because I had previously set it up or ki dula share. So I can just say search, like example where now gonna look like a Siaha or Soshanguve, Soweto, Krugersdorp, Kuruman, Mdantsane. So you can put in, see, already here's an opportunity, project 20K, intern. How many posts? 2 pages. Let's see, 60 sales consultant. So 2 pages worth. Okay, yeah, so there's a couple of opportunities. Not only can you do this from here, it will also give you a reply or thank you for applying, thank you for this, and then you are able to make a follow-up on that same post. So for example, let's say we add more filters. Right now you want to expand, say no, I don't want to stay local, I want to spread my wings, go to greener pastures. So you say show all opportunities. See, 50K. Let's see what I did. Okay, some for the same. Let me change. Danzan. Oh, unit. Yeah, native units. I learned that when I was there. Native unit 1. Search. So let's see what is there. Training results. Nice. Mining operator, business development, receptionist. Wow. Griller. Wow, this is actually wow. Whoa, so much diversity. 4 days ago, merchandiser. So youth, here's a platform when you're looking for a job, searching for a job. Here's a platform that you can also add to your category, category. Ammunition, when you put things this is what I use. I go there, I'm gonna do this. This would now be part of that pack of things that or this is what I use whenever I'm job searching. I go here, once I'm done, check, go to the next one. So SA Youth Mobi, I'm gonna add as part and parcel of your things. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.